Hey fellas, it's time for some bad boy tools, and this is a circle saw by Milwaukee, and this one is totally not working. Let's check. Okay. Okay, so the customer told that this one is not working, and it's a common problem for this model. I believe that you now know what the problem is here, and you will write that in the comments. But for me, I still need to disassemble it and check if it's the same common problem or not. Okay, first of all, if the tool is not working on the customer hands, we are checking the wires, of course. Maybe we have some damaged wire or something that happened on the assemble, disassemble, and so on. So now, of course, for this model, we can see the cables here if they are not bent. No, and you know where I'm going if you're watching my videos often. I'm going to the switch and I need to open it. Okay, let's open it and try to check if we will find same problem as in the other this model saws. Basically, as this switch fails so often, Milwaukee can do the, I don't know, the easier opening of it or something. Okay, probably let's do it like that. And this plastic piece with a spring, what we want to see here, we want to see the terminals. Now they don't look so bad. I'll try to zoom it in. I hope you can see it, and I will try to clean them. You can see that the black bone marks are going out. Okay, now this one looks nice, like new one. I'm double checking it. Okay. It's connecting like that, and Let's check. Do we have the spring here? And it's strange because when I got this tool from the customer, I tested it and it was completely not working. So yeah, sometimes this switch problem just do like that, and it's sometimes working, sometimes not. Of course, we need to check all the cables. Maybe we have some damage, but basically this one looks like new. And if the switch cleaning or replacing is not working, the tool still fails, we need to replace the controller. Okay, let's put a sticker here and let's check. Probably I can close it. Yep. Let's check if it closes good. No, not to the terminal. Good position. Okay. Now this one looks nice. Okay, now it's testing time. So, it's working, I repaired it, you pressing thumbs up, subscribing, and bye.